Perfect. Now let's start.
Okay, let's actually just start. So here and then actually here and then there. Okay, there, I think, there, and then
Good job so far,
there,
Jace.
and there. I'm just gonna try to mix it up.
Guys, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and notify
And turn on those notification bells.
so you don't miss out any of the other future videos. And I hope you guys like this design. We are not finished. And
Yes,
we are
and
trying
I am
our best.
also going to add even more. Hold on. Just hold on, everyone. Please don't just leave the video. It is not done yet.
No.
We really want to be the best YouTubers because we might get a ton of money, actually.
No, but we are.
So please, we need help to support us.
Yeah, support us by helping us out to reach 100 subscribers. That's our goal. If we can hit 100 subscribers on this video, then
But Jackson, we've already done way more than 100 though.
no. I'm like at the teens. I'm almost at 20 subscribers. If we can hit like 50 subscribers,
But Jackson, do you remember that one where did you just post that one on Facebook?
like what?
The first one, like showing off my world.
No. I posted it, but it didn't go through because all it did was like it was like a fake recording thing, and I didn't know. And then I figured it out that it was fake. That it was fake. So I went to find anyone.
Oh, actually, Jackson, there's actually only one problem that we just missed. I fixed it there.
Okay, thanks.
Let me think.
It looks great so far. Guys, don't leave the video yet.
Yes, I am so sorry because this is actually one of
The biggest one.
the most long ones. Jackson, do you think we're done or we gotta still do some more?
I think you should do it like a little more.
Okay, do you think you can help me with the designs a bit?
Yeah. Well, I'm not that
Okay,
good.
we'll only need smooth quartz stairs and smooth quartz slabs for this next one.
Okay. I'll try my best.
Okay. Actually, Jackson, you won't have to help. You
Okay.
can watch me.
I tried my best.
Well, though you did a great job. That was an A+. I'm sorry I broke it.
Oh, it's okay.
Jackson?
Yeah? Nice. I think you should copy that on this wall over here.
Okay.
If you copy that on this wall over here, I think it will look awesome.
Nah, I'm just gonna do it over here. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Okay, guys, and I'm sorry, but we're going to end the video over here.
Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on
Yeah.
the notification bell so you never miss out
Yeah.
another future
We
video.
really need some help. Goodbye, guys.